Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, please do me a favor by clicking on the subscribe button. Please make sure you don't go without subscribing. Like, share, also make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. So, we will be looking at NASDAQ 100 for this week. We know first week of April, and I want to also know that the market is still on. We have about 4 hours, 3 hours. Take about 3-4 hours for the New Year section to actually close for today, which is Friday. So basically, what you are seeing now, price very much likely to close above this level. Currently, we are trading at 13,120. We probably might close at 13,200 or maybe lower than 13,120. We don't know, but we still have about 4 hours for market to close. Now, for this week, right? We will be expecting NASDAQ 100 to actually give us a bullish move, then a drop. So if you are following this channel consistently, right, you will see that I've actually predicted a bullish move, right? I told you guys that we will be expecting a bullish move, right? But before you actually expect a bullish move, price will very much likely to drop before we get that bullish move. And I told you guys that the timing is very, very crucial on this. And you can see it, price eventually drop. You can see this candlestick wick sticking at the bottom, right? Price drop, and guess what? Price actually went bullish. So I did more analysis on this NASDAQ 100 on the Patreon channel. I mean, take a look at some of the trades we actually took on our Patreon channel, right? So in the weekly aspect of that, we actually predicted that we'll be expecting a bullish move. We traded NASDAQ 100 yesterday. You can see it's March 30. We actually got our profits, targets, or points. Today also, which is 31st, we are also, got into with we took a trade on NASDAQ 100 today, which was, awesome. You can see S&P 500. We actually look at this trade for the week, which we actually got to our profit, which was awesome. So we still have one more trade still running, by the way. By next week, we are very much likely to hit the target. So if in case you're interested in high probability trade that we have 70 to 90% chance of winning, I'll put a link in the comment section. I want to actually give it a try for just a month. Try it for this April, give it a try for just a month. Then you can now decide if you have to cancel your subscription or if you have to keep your subscription. You are going to get high probability trade. That is what I assure you. Good quality trade is what I assure you. Now, this week also, they are predicting for the first week of NASDAQ 100. I'll be expecting, a little bit of a bullish move, then a drop. Though if this bullish move moves very well, then that drop that will come will be very, very hard. There's going to be a very massive drop. We will probably will be getting it next 2 weeks. This week, we might, if you are to get the drop this week that you are predicting for, it will not be much, but the upper one, we will be getting more of those drops. So basically, that is what I'm watching out for. So if you want in-depth analysis on this, all you just have to do is check the comment section. You see the link to the Patreon channel, sign up to it and give it a try. You'll see, you'll be pleased. So this week, let's see what you will be expecting some major news on the forex markets. Let me see. There are major news that will be coming out this week. So on the forex factory, so we need to watch out for it because these news are going to have an high impact on this movement on NASDAQ 100. So like I said, on the weekly time frame, I'm expecting a bullish move first, then a drop will follow. Probably we would be getting that drop in 2 weeks' time, not this week, probably in 2 weeks' time. And that drop that will follow will be very, very massive. So if in case you need in-depth, you just have to sign up and you'll get it. So with this movement, we can see that NASDAQ 100 is literally an uptrend move. I mean, on the fundamental aspect of this, you all know the reason, right? Why this NASDAQ 100 is now going bullish, especially from here. The bullish move started when the Fed actually made a decision that they will have to increase interest rates one more time. Then they'll start looking to cut down on interest rates. That is when the market started picking up. Okay, people were last speculating that the Fed will start cutting down on interest rates. Of course, an increase in interest rates is not good for the stock market. We all know that once there's an increase in interest rates, it's definitely a bad news for the NASDAQ 100 or stock markets. But since they will be looking to cut down on interest rates, I think it will be around May, June period, right? One more interest rate will be increased one more time before they start cutting down on it. So we will be expecting more and more bullish moves. So those of you that are yet to invest in the stock market, I think this is the best time or this is the perfect time to start investing. So for some time now, we will be expecting more and more bullish move. Now this week that we are predicting for, let's see it for April, we will be expecting some major news. I think this is on Monday. We can see we'll be expecting a major news on ISM manufacturing PMI. This is going to have an impact on this movement on NASDAQ100. On Tuesday also we will be having this one. This one very high impact is going to have on NASDAQ100 job opening. On Wednesday also we can see we are also expecting a news on this USD ADP non-farm employment change. Is going to have an impact on this NASDAQ100. You can see on Thursday also you can see unemployment claims, very high impact news on this NASDAQ100. And Friday we can see three news. So basically Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, major news will be released on the USD and it is going to affect the movement on NASDAQ100. So I'll be covering them little by little with the fundamental aspect of it and the trading. If you are interested, the link to the Patreon channel will be in the comments section. Sign up and you can give it a try. So with this movement, like I said, I'll be expecting a little bit of a bullish move before a drop. And if in case that drop will play out next week, I don't expect much, but we'll be expecting kind of like a major drop probably next week. But everything, the news can actually play out, can actually play out with the movement. All I just have to do is, watch the news that will be released, read it, some news expecting what I'll be expecting on the news, and with that, I'll be able to predict the movements on NASDAQ100. So this week we should be expecting some of a bullish move before a drop will come in.